Hello guys, welcome back to Chocho 2025. Are your hard drives full of duplicate AI models? If you use ComfyUI alongside Automatic1111 or other interfaces, you are likely wasting hundreds of gigabytes. Today, I'll show you the single file that solves this, extra-model-paths.yum. This tutorial will show you how to centralize all your models, checkpoints, LoRAs, and VAEs, so you only have one copy, accessed by every UI and every node. First, go to your ComfyUI root folder and find the file named extra-model-paths.yum.example. Copy that file and rename the copy to just extra-model-paths.yum. Open the new file. If you have Automatic1111 installed, this is the biggest space saver. Find the base path for your Automatic1111 installation in the folder right after WebView. In the extra-model-paths YAML, under the basic path setting for Automatic1111, input your path like what I do in the screen. This single line instantly gives ComfyUI access to every model you have saved in your A1111 folders. What if your models are spread across different drives? For model types like LoRA, you can specify multiple locations. Find the LoRA setting. After the colon, add a space, then the pipe symbol se. On the next lines, write your first model location. And then on the next line, write your second model location, and so on until you've written all of them. In my setup, I put my main checkpoint folder under the checkpoint setting, but I also add the second address referring to diffusion models. While the diffusion models setting still addressed to the diffusion models, so it refer twice as a different model. To keep your model selection list manageable, especially since you are adding many models, create organized subfolders. For example, A1, ESDXL, eFlux. This makes selection easier in the ComfyUI. Save the extra model paths YAM file, restart ComfyUI, and your new settings will be loaded. You now have complete control over every model location. You've eliminated duplicate files, and you've freed up valuable hard drive space. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. Please subscribe.